Hi, Greg Clark from Lavorwash. I'm here to show you this particular model, the PT-70, which is a diesel space heater. That's the first of our models in the diesel space heater range. The PT-70 produces 70,000 BTU of heat, or approximately 20 kilowatt. The PT-70 unit runs on diesel or kerosene or biodiesel. This particular unit has a tank capacity of around 19 litres and a fuel consumption of 2.1 litres per hour. The unit is a carry style unit and is equipped with a thermostat control. The 240 volt power required to run the unit is for the fan, because this is a fan forced model as against a radiant heater, but this is fan forced. And I'll quickly turn it on just to give you some indication as to the level of noise produced by the fan. Turning it on, the spark quickly ignites and it fires up fairly quickly, but you can tell by the level of noise, it is not the sort of unit that you would want to use in an area where you have regular telephone conversations. The PT-70, the first in our range of diesel space heaters.